So guys, we suspect that there's birds in the attic.
Luigi.
What do you think we should do to get rid of them? Or just to... What's your ideas?
My idea is something like we're gonna use a net.
A net. And then what do I do with that net?
I'm just catching the birds with it.
Okay, so I just go up there and I swing the net around like catching butterflies?
No, by catching birds.
Like catching birds. Oh, okay. And what's your recommendation, Big Girl?
About using a box.
A box. What do I do with the box?
You can carefully sneak up to the bird and then pick up the nest very carefully.
Okay.
Then put it in the box very carefully.
Are you assuming the nest looks like a conventional nest?
Yeah. Is that the sound of the birds coming up there?
It's the sound of the birds twitching around on the hatch of the basement, yes. Of the attic, basement rather. Are you working on plans, Elliot?
Yeah, I do the net.
Good.
I'm doing a box.
And what about you, Stacy?
I'm looking at NWCO's first.
Now, what are you looking
I don't know if you can see it.
Hey guys.
It's right. Actually, right there in the middle.
Did you guys bonk heads?
No.
What'd you do?
Dad, do you mind if we feed the birds after you get them down? Dad, do you mind if we feed the birds after you get them down?
You see him up there?
Yeah.
Never done that.
Flat.
It's recording now.
Hey little guys. Oh, it's zoomed in way far.
Got him?
Yeah, one of them anyway. They were living right here. And, oh, I can see where they got in, I think. Yeah, okay. It's pretty clean up here. I don't see any signs of bats.
Tell us about the capturing of the birds.
I sighted a box. And I sighted a net.
What's in here?
A box.
What's inside the box?
A baby bird. Is it a bird? Hey, knock on it.
Don't knock on the baby bird.
Why?
You want to scare him.
I'm covering it.
Okay, go ahead.
Do you want to open it?
Sure. Aww.
No, don't touch him. Okay.
Why?
I don't know if I didn't hurt him.
Okay, now how are we going to let him out? We're going to lay this box down. Okay. He's very, very afraid. Okay. Okay. Is that him or his parents?
I think it's him.
Okay, guys, let's do this. Let's walk on the other side of the gate. I think it's his parents. They're trying to find him. Okay?
I think really
I could run to Lowe's or somewhere real quick and get some fencing or something to put up there to keep them from coming back before it gets dark.